Hey loves, welcome back to another day with me, another day, another dollar. Welcome back to my channel. Today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday. I uploaded a video of me doing my wig installation. So I didn't explain the product, I just thought I'd make a different video of it. So this is the video, this is it. If you want to know what products to use for your wig installation, which I took off already, but I'm gonna install another one, a bob this time, because that one was a 22.4 inch. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, this video is for you if you don't know which products to buy, where to buy them, or all of that. Definitely stay tuned in. Let's just get into the video, okay? Yo, Gunin Kuluma.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show, this is what I use when I wash my hair. I would use the My Natural Hair shampoo. I know I bought this because I also use it on my hair, but I also use it on my wigs. Yeah, I also use this on my wigs. It's good. I haven't had any problems with it. So this is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. And obviously after, shampooing and conditioning your hair, you let it dry. I normally let it air dry, and then I would maybe go on with a hair dryer after, but this is what I use. And then obviously you will need a hair dryer, because how are you going to heat up your wigs? But yeah, need a hair dryer. I got this one from ShopRite a long time ago. It's very good. It was very cheap. I think it was 100 and something, if not 200. But yeah, it's very good. It's Essentials brand, obviously. The hair dryer. Another thing that you will need is this. It's so dirty, I need to wash it. It's this band. It's the elastic. Is it an elastic band? Anyway, it's this band. It has like the they're not adjustable clips. What are these? But yeah, you can just easily adjust it to your head. I have a small head, so normally this would go all the way, so it's very good as well. You need it, obviously. I do know that some people use stockings, which also works. I've tried it before, it works, but I decided to buy this because it is more secure and it's easier to use than stockings. But if you do prefer it, it's fine. And then what is it? Oh, I need to get something. There's something that I forgot. Okay, so going on to more products. This the wax stick, it's for normally laying down your hair in the front. You don't use it all over your hair, you just use it in the front or wherever you parted your hair. Use the wax stick. I got this from Pretoria CBD, just those shops that sell hair stuff and makeup and things. You will definitely get it. I don't remember how much it was, but I think it was around 40 rand, if not 50. It's also very good. And then I have this spray that I use. It's the Glamour Beauty Fast Drying No Residue Spray. It's an extra mega hold. I also got this for 140. It still has the price. It's the big one, and I've had this for like some time. I normally like to buy things in bigger sizes because then I don't have to keep buying, So I got this for 140 last year. It's still here, it's still a lot. So saying, babes. Yeah, it's what I use for, it's my glue. It's the Glamour glue. Yeah, and it does not leave residue. Like this fast drying no residue, it's true. Okay, I prefer it preferably. I don't know if there are other ones that people would prefer, but I do prefer this. Highly recommend. Okay, and then I have these next product. The first one, it's this serum. It's a hair rescue, a restore and care, a Clicks brand. It's for the split ends and it protects against dryness and damaged hair. It's really good. Like, I've had that wig for quite some time, the one that I installed in my previous video, and I didn't like the texture anymore. But when I put in this serum, baby girl was back. Baby girl was glam, glitz and glam. It's like, it does repair dryness and, you know, protects against the freeze, you know, that freezing thing the hair normally does at the ends. And anyway, it's a split end repair serum, so definitely recommend, oh babes. I got it from Clicks, obviously. I think it was $69.99 if I'm not mistaken. I'll double check the prices and I'll see if I can link them down below, but it was not more than 70 bucks. And then the next spray that I have, it's the restoring spray. It conditions and strengthens, oh Jesus, it conditions and strengthens dry hair and damaged hair while styling. So yeah, this is also good for your hair. It leaves it silk. I don't know how, but it makes it so smooth. Like, after applying this, it makes it so smooth. So this is the product that I use again. And then I also got the antifreeze spray. I know the serum also says antifreeze, but I decided to get this spray as well because it adds gloss and shine. And baby girl looks like the hair is flowing. Like, I'm in my big girl era, and this is very good. I also got it at Clicks together with this one. I also think they were $79.99, if not $69.99. I'm not really sure, but yeah. And then I got the spritz. Why are you turning the other way? The spritz designing and holding spray. It's from Isoplus. I know Isoplus is very good, and yeah, I normally use it on my front. I don't spray my whole hair with it because it normally gives me this edge, like you have edges but you don't have edges look. So I use this for that because I don't do edges on my wigs. I've never tried it. I do want to try it, but I normally do like the natural small ones from the hair without cutting the hair, which is cute. I find that very cute. So yeah, I use this for that. It's a firm hold, a body and volume. I don't normally like my wigs to be volumized, so that's why I don't use it all over and just use it here. And yeah, it's good. Okay, and then obviously you will need straightener. I got this from Take a Lot. Let me tell you, when I say it's hot, baby girl, we are baba. We are shisa. I'm joking. It's hot. I got it for $2.23 if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, I do recommend this. It's very hot. It's good for curling, you know, when you have a bob and you want to curl it, or you have straight hair. Either way, very nice. And then, oh, I forgot this. And then I have a mousse, obviously, for laying down the hair. Like, even on my natural hair, I do use a wrap set or a mousse. A mouse. Is it a mouse or a mouse? I do use it because yeah, it does lay your hair flat. It actually works. So I normally use it for my hair as well. Besides that, on my weave, it just flattens it up and gives it a firm hold as well, you know. And then obviously the last thing that I have to show you is the hot comb that you obviously have to have, because like, I don't know, I sometimes use this to to strengthen my hair. Is it strengthen? Jesus. Yeah, I normally use this all over my hair, because I know normally you use it in the front and with it, but I go all the way down because it makes it easier when you come in with the straightener. It makes it more quick, yeah. Why in English ingbalekela today in front of the camera, in front of Pamgabantu? God. But yeah, it makes it easier for me when I go on with my straightener, because then my hair is already hot and it already has the texture that it wants. So this is what I have, right? And then I think that's all that I use for my hair when I'm installing. You can also get the wig cap. I know that there are people who use the wig cap, there are people who don't. I use it sometimes I don't. Right now it's dirty. I think that's why it's not here, because this is where I store all my products. But yeah, you can also get the wig cap. I think it's about 10 rand from any shop. It holds your hair, especially if you didn't do like lines and you just want to hold your hair back. It works perfectly. But normally I would have lines, because I know I have like hair, so there's no way I would install without doing lines. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Like, it wasn't long, like I said. I just wanted to explain some of the products that I use for my hair. I am still learning myself, so it's not a perfection, but I am happy with where I got with installation, because sana I want to do my own hair. So yeah, that's it. Anyhow, I hope you guys really did like the video. As I said, don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Also follow me on my social medias. They are linked down below on the description box. Don't forget to do that. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours.